Nigerians, make una see our gallant Enugu State Forest Guards. Yes, so these are the men that are going to protect una from Fulani terrorists. Okay? My only issue with this whole thing is I don't think that they have enough people, and I don't also think that they look very professional. If you are doing training, why not they show us everything for social media? These Fulani people go they look now. It's not good. And give them the same kind of boy that these people have. You know, the Fulani people they carry better guns. So we suppose give them something better as well. And we need more men in this whole thing. I don't talk in my last video. We need nothing less than 5,000 to 10,000 people to enter this forest guard. Not just in the forest, but even in the city. Everybody needs to get involved in security. Because these Fulani people, they know they smile. And I also believe that the government needs to go into Enugu, that place, something like Owerri Road, Ogui Road, all those places that the Fulani people normally sell things like a cow. Because from what we are hearing, it is alleged that they bring all these weapons and they pack it in all those places. In the night, they come and carry it and enter bush. So anywhere that they have all these Fulani people staying in Enugu, the government should just do like a surprise visit there and check their stores, check their mosques, check everything. Make sure that these people are not sponsoring terrorism in the state. Where are these people getting the food that they are eating? The supplies. We need to be thinking about things like this. It is people that are bringing it to them, and it is their people that are supporting them and sponsoring the whole thing. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please follow this page. Thanks for watching.
No motor. Until we see motor where they come from.